It's 6 a.m. on the 16th of February, the day I leave this God-forsaken place. The end of that ridiculous and ludicrous, preposterous quarantine imposed by the global leaders. Those shitheads knows no boundaries because they are not the one exposed to all this regimentation, so hence they put us through all this. So I'm here, I find myself here right now, waiting for my pickup, my vehicle. Friends coming to pick me up and go get my car. And after when I get my car, I'm gonna drive out into the wild. Well, I'm gonna watch a movie, go for a haircut, go for a masseuse, go for a manicure, my pedicure, my facial mask, and everything else which I have been so deprived of all these months, years. Actually, it was a year from the time I moved out. And I can't wait to get back. The bathroom is a mess, and I'm happy that I'm just another hour and a half and I'm out of it. Those bastards upstairs are still banging away. So it's clearly not the room, it is the environment actually. So I find myself wanting to chill. I'm so tired. It's been a long journey for me. See ya. Bye.